Yo, my friends, it's time to ignite. Techformation givers got the specs in sight. Bringing you the wrap, it's a special delight. Let's break it down. Tech that shines so bright. Snapdragon 8 Elite. Speed's insane. Octa-core power, running every lane. Dual 4.32 GHz, Hexa at 3.53, 12 GB RAM. Multitasking is the key. 6.82 inches, LTPO AMOLED screen, 144 Hz refresh. Smoothest you've seen. 1440 by 3168, QHD Plus in the frame. Bezel-less design, putting others to shame. Triple camera setup, shots so clean, 50 megapixel wide. It's a photo machine. 50 megapixel ultra wide. Frame it so grand, 30x zoom with telephoto in hand. 8K video, cinematic feel. 32 megapixels front cam seals the deal. Battery's a beast. 6050 meters AH. 120 watt charging saves every hour. USB-C port. Charging is fast, for gaming or binging. It's built to last. 5G ready. Future-proof vibe. Dust and water resistant. Feels so fly. 256 GB storage. No space stress. iQOO 13. It's passing every test. Indian variants got a smaller cell. 6000 meters AH. Still works well. December 3rd, mark the date. iQOO 13 India. It's gonna be great. So friends, heard the specs. What's your view? Hit like on the video. Subscribe to Techformation Giver, your buddy for life. Tap the bell icon, updates on site.